Hello, viewers! Today we're diving into the exciting world of testing your mobile customizations. By the end of this unit, you'll be a mobile design maestro and a master of mobile testing. Let's get started. Today's journey is packed with valuable knowledge. We'll cover best practices for mobile design, the importance of piloting your Salesforce mobile app, and testing Visualforce pages. Ready? Let's roll. You've got the green light for your mobile rollout. Now let's bring your use cases to life. Build and test in your sandbox or developer edition first. Prioritize essential information and streamline for optimal mobile performance. Remember, less is more in mobile design. Prioritize crucial information, build for speed, consider tap targets, and embrace mobile capabilities. Let's dive into the Salesforce app and apply these principles. Optimizing Visualforce pages for mobile is the next step. Make them available for mobile users, revise code for both the full site and the mobile app, or create mobile-specific pages. Let's ensure a seamless mobile experience. Enabling Visualforce pages for mobile is a checkbox away, but testing is key. Revise code to fit both environments or create mobile-specific pages. Let's dive into the setup and ensure our Visualforce pages shine on mobile. Now, the thrill of piloting your prototype with users. Validate mobile use cases, streamline customizations, collect FAQs, train power users, and create an early buzz. The more involved, the merrier. Before the official launch, a pilot is a must. Gather a diverse group of users, including your rebels. Address concerns early to turn your mobile rebels into cheerleaders. Let's navigate through the piloting process. And there you have it, trailblazers. You've mastered mobile design best practices, tested Visualforce pages, and learned the importance of piloting. Stay tuned for our next adventure, where we delve into the final steps of customizing the Salesforce app. Keep blazing your trail.